Hi guys, welcome back. It's time to learn how to set iMessage chat background using Image Playground on your iPhone, iPad, and Mac. Apple has introduced a pretty cool way to personalize your conversations with iOS 26 and macOS Tahoe by setting custom iMessage chat backgrounds using the Image Playground feature. Instead of sticking with a default look, you can now create or select unique backgrounds that match your style and mood, making your chats more expressive and visually engaging. That said, let's get started. So first we have to launch the Apple Messages app on your iPhone, iPad or Mac. As the process is pretty simple, I'm going to use my Mac to let you know how it works. After that, you have to head over to a conversation thread, and then you have to tap on the chat name at the top. After that, choose the Backgrounds tab, and then you have to choose the playground icon to proceed. After that, describe your image and press enter. And once the playground has created the image, choose the desired variant and hit done. Next, you can choose the preferred style of the generated image subject to availability. And when you are satisfied with your background image, click on the Save button or the tick mark button and you are all set. So that's how you can easily set a custom iMessage chat background with Image Playground on your iPhone, iPad, and Mac. By adding your own style, every conversation feels more personal and fun-loving. With Apple's seamless syncing across devices, the background you choose will stay consistent whether you are messaging from iPhone, iPad, or Mac. Now that you have unlocked this pretty cool feature, make the most of it to spice up your messaging time, and I'll catch you up in the next one.